She is dirty, boys and girls. She is disgusting. It's a beautiful day out. It's a great day to try out some Renegade stuff that I got with Renegade's code. So I'm gonna be trying that out today. Show the package that I got. She's disgusting. Alright, so here's the kit that I got from Renegade, the Cummins Cowgirl. Nice red box here. LOL. So let's open her up real quick. Show you what's inside, in case you're wondering. Alright, so this is the Rebel series right here. It's got the rubber, can't even talk. The rubber and vinyl plastic bottle right here. It's got Savage APC all-purpose cleaner, interior and exterior. It's got the ceramic spray. Excited about that one. I've never ceramic coated anything. It's got the money shot. Alright, so this is pretty much the soap. Voodoo X. Alright, this thing is supposed to be really good to get brake dust and everything off your wheel wells. Comes with some hand scrub, towel, another microfiber towel. What do we got here? Kiss my glass. Alright, so some glass cleaner spray and 3 sprays. Alright, so we're gonna be using that today to clean up Maggie. Alright, so the first thing I'm curious about is this Voodoo spray. It's supposed to turn purple, so you know it's ready to be removed. So I'm gonna be trying that first. We're on the tires too, whatever. I don't know if you can see the color difference, but it's definitely turning purple. It's purple. Alright, that means it's ready to be removed. Alright, to be honest guys, this stuff is like super strong. It creates a lot of vapors and it smells like ass. But if it works, it works. We'll see. You might be able to see the purple a little better on this side. Alright, I know it's a dark wheel and everything, so you can barely tell, but this stuff actually worked pretty well. So, I'll give that a thumbs up on that one. Alright, well, here's a really dirty rim. Let's see if this stuff actually works on that. Be able to see results a lot better on this one. Alright, couple minutes later here, that is extra purple. Alright, let's go ahead and scrub it up and pressure wash it and see how it comes out. Alright, that's not bad, honestly. All the lettering is white again. Didn't really see on the spots that I didn't really get much spray in, still black. But the aluminum part, I mean the front of the rim right here, it's not too bad. Use your nail and stuff, it comes off. So if I had a brush, which I can't find mine, if I had a brush, something a little bit more abrasive, this stuff will come right off. So I would say it does work. Yeah, look at that. I'm spraying the Savage APC on all the wheel wells before I wash them, just to see how it works. wheel wells came out looking good, and I haven't cleaned these and I don't even know how long, a couple years, so pretty happy with the result. Alright, real quick, this is on the El Camino. I'm gonna try the Savage APC on this door panel because I've tried different things and I haven't been able to get that dirt off those creases. I don't know if you can see that, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it works. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Try it out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Alright. So the stuff is coming off. I'll probably, if I scrub it with a brush, it'll probably be a lot better. I'll probably have better results. But I'm glad that it's coming off. The stuff is working. Alright, about to use my foam cannon. This thing says dilute 150 to 1. $50, $100, $150. That looks about right. Let's go with that. There you have it, boys. That's how you know it's time to wash the truck. It's literally a plant growing in between the cab and the bed of the truck. Now I gotta figure out how to rip that out of there. Oof. Unbelievable. That is pretty good coverage right there with my custom 150 to 1 calculation. I like it. Alright, so she's looking good, but there's this one spot over here from the exhaust I need to clean. This whole area right here. I'm gonna try this voodoo stuff, see if it works. Let's wait a minute. Alright, I took it off a little bit. I'm gonna try the APC now. Alright, that didn't do much at all. So I'm just gonna hit it with the voodoo one more time. Alright, that's a lot better. 2 coats of the voodoo stuff. Got these results right here. I'm happy with that. It's just gonna get dirty again. Alright, I'm about to use the rubber, vinyl, and plastic stuff. If you want to keep the tire shine, you have to spray and leave it on. If you don't want it to shine, then you wipe it off. I am definitely not wiping these tires off. So I'm just gonna spray it and leave it. Might try it on my fender flares here because it's looking a little dated. So I'm gonna see what this stuff does for it. Alright, so I hit this one up with the rubber and it does look good, but it lists this weird film on it. I don't really like it. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know, I might just leave them. I feel like dirt's just gonna stick to this. I'm not sure though. Don't quote me on that, but I might just hit it with something else. But it does look good though. See, that's the back one. I haven't done this one yet. There's the front one, so you can see it from over here. So shiny. Looks good. Ooh, look at those tires. I already ceramic coated the whole truck. I don't know if you can tell, probably not. This truck needs a lot of work, needs to be clayed, needs to be waxed, needs a lot of work. But for what it is, I used everything in the kit. I haven't done the windows yet or the interior, but everything else is pretty much done and it's looking good. It's making this truck look good, even though it hasn't been waxed in years. Here's the view of the other side. Still gotta do the fender flares on that. Oh man, it is looking good, really good. I have to tint those windows. Oof, man, bringing some life back to the old Maggie. Man. Alright, so as far as the interior goes, I'm just gonna hit it with the APC first, all-purpose cleaner, and then I'll hit it with the rubber. That should make it look good. That's pretty much it. I mean, I gotta do the windows, but that's no big deal. Glass cleaner is glass cleaner. Yeah, let me finish up real quick. Be careful using the APC on these things. That's what those lettering and window indicators. That stuff will come right off with this APC. All right, so just be careful when you're wiping that stuff up. That looks really good. I don't know if this camera can do it justice, but oh man, it smells great too. This rubber thing and the APC and the ceramic coating, they all smell delicious. You almost want to just drink it. Alright, I'm extremely happy with the results here. Man, it's really hard for me to do this kind of things to the truck here, detail it and stuff, because it is a work truck. I take it all the time on dirt roads, take my wheelers out on it. My kids ride on that all the time. It is the family truck. It's really hard for me to keep it clean, and then I leave on deployment and it doesn't get clean for months. So it does need to get clayed and waxed. But as far as this kit goes right here, extremely happy with it. It worked wonders. This stuff right here, I'm already down below half on that. This kit was $100, so I'm probably gonna get 2 uses out of that, and that's gonna be done. This one not so bad, still gotta do some other things with it, but probably down to half by the time I'm done. Ceramic coating, that's not bad. I haven't used the glass cleaner. and the rubber. It's not much I used. So I mean, not bad. You're gonna go through a lot of microfiber towels. They only gave or provided 2 red ones right here, and this one that I haven't used. So make sure you go to Harbor Freight and get a bunch of microfiber towels for the cheap. But I'm happy with the results. She's looking good. I don't think she's ever looked this good in a very long time. Alright, so I'm really debating about taking these fender flares off. I'm not sure if I like them anymore. They do their purpose. They keep the rocks and stuff away from the paint. I do like that. Just as far as it looks. As far as looks go, I'm not sure if I want to keep them. Same thing with the side molding right here. Thinking about taking that off. I just know there's going to be a tone difference in the paint because it's been on there since 2007 pretty much. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, if I should take those off or leave them on. It'll definitely make the tires stick out more though if I take them off. So let me know. I'm curious. I want to know. I need help. Help me out. If you want to get any Renegade products, just go to their website. You can use Renegade's code, then it gives you 15% off. But you can also get 15% off if you subscribe to their email, to get emails from them. So that also gives you 15% off. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, boys. Those headlights, they need to go. I'm pretty done with those. I try to restore them, but I'm done. Those are coming off next time. Those are coming off. All right, so stay tuned for that. Cheers.